G'day everyone, welcome back to Billabong High School. I'm Kurt Wawszkowicz, Principal, and I've got here today Mr Foskett, a PD/HPE teacher. So as we said a few days ago, we're going to be running the beep test today, and we recognise that anyone out there could be watching, but hopefully a lot of our students who are doing the fitness program with Thrive, hopefully they're going to have another crack at it today, because we've already done it earlier this year, and hopefully we're going to see an improvement. So I'll just ask Mr Foskett to explain very simply to those who don't know what a beep test is, what are we going to be doing today?
Okay, thanks sir. Alright, so the beep test, basically for those who haven't done it before, is a cardiovascular endurance test. And basically how it works is, we've got 4 cones marked out here, and basically those cones mark out a space of 20 metres. We're going to run 20 metres according to my app, which is going to make beeping noises when it's time to run. Okay, so we need to basically run that 20 metres before the next beep starts, and it basically gives us levels that we've got to work up. The thing about the beep test is those beeps become closer and closer together, and so as the test goes on it gets harder and harder to make the 20 metres. So that's basically it. You'll see us doing it in a few moments, and you'll get a better idea of how it works.
Okay, so we should be exhausted by the end of this. We probably should have said at the very start, it's up to you to determine your own physical or medical well-being for this. So if you've got any sort of condition, you need to check with your doctor before you do this type of physical activity, because it is designed to push you to the limit. You go until you're exhausted, within reason, and I certainly won't, and Mr Foskett won't be able to speak at the end of this for a little while because we'll be taking in the big gulps of air. Okay, so for students at home, what we'd like you to do is to try to, obviously if you feel like you're up for it, try and better your last score. And what might be a fun idea is, if you want to post your score on Facebook, that's fine. But if you don't want to post your actual score, you might want to post the improvement that you made. So if you got a 8.0 last time, and then this time you get 8.5, maybe just jump on Facebook and say plus 0.5. Okay, and hopefully, as I said the other day, I did a 10.5 last time. I'm hoping to improve that, and I'll jump on there and put that as well to get it started. Okay, anything else we need to do before we start, sir?
No, just warm up. If you're going to do this at home, you probably should do a little warm up before you start. I think that's always good, and also it starts the heart rate going just before you get into exercise. So, good luck.
Okay, good luck. Remember, the pace of it to start with is just a walk. So you pretty much walk the first one, and then you'll get up to a faster speed. Okay, good luck, and we'll see you out there in a few seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stage 1. 1, 1. 1, 2. 1, 3. 1, 4. 1, 5. 1, 6. 2. 2, 1. 2, 2. 2, 3. 2, 4. 2, 5. 2, 6. 2, 7. 2, Stage 3. Three, 1. Three, 2. Three, 3. Three, 4. Three, 5. Three, 6. Three, 7. Stage 4. 4, 1. 4, 2. 4, 3. 4, 4. 4, 5. 4, 6. 4, 7. 5. 5, 1. 5, 2. 5, 3. 5, 4. 5, 5. 5, 6. 5, 7. 5, 8. Stage 6. 6, 1. 6, 2. 6, 3. 6, 4. 6, 5. 6, 6.
Keep it rolling at the end.
6, 7. 6, 8.
Someone at home might get 12.
Stage 7. 7, 1. 7, 2. 7, 3. 7, 4. 7, 5. 7, 6. 7, 7. 7, 8. 7, 9. Stage 8. 8, 1. 8, 2. 8, 3. 8, 4. 8, 5. 8, 6. 8, 7. 8, 8. 8, 9. Stage 9. 9, 1. 9, 2. 9, 3. 9, 4. 9, 5. 9, 6. 9, 7. 9, 8. 9, 9. Stage 10. 10, 1. 10, 2. 10, 3. 10, 4. 10, 5. 10, 6. 10, 7. 10, 8. 10, 9. 10, 10. Stage 11. 11, 1. 11, 2. 11, 3. 11, 4. 11, 5. 11, 6. 11, 7. 11, 8. 11, 9. 11, 10. Stage 12. 12, 1. 12, 2. 12, 3. 12, 4. 12, 5. 12, 6. 12, 7. 12, 8. 12, 9. 12, 10. 12, 11. Stage 13.
G'day again everyone. Look, thanks for joining us today for the beep test. We accidentally stopped the tape early, so I had to come back to the studio to finish the last few beeps there. If you made it all the way to level 13, that's amazing. Be sure to let me know. But well done to everyone today who had a go. And look, I will commit to doing this again, certainly at the end of term 2, maybe halfway through. So if you've done it today, write down your score. That's a beginner's mistake to forget what your initial score was, so write it down. And hopefully we'll all be doing lots of exercise and we'll aim to beat that score next time. Thanks very much. Thanks, Mr. Foskett, and have fun exercising.